If you are serious about keeping your vehicle's finish in good condition, high-quality polish just might be your best friend. Polishers prepare the painted surface by filling in minor imperfections before you apply wax. While you can use a car polish by hand, they are designed for use with random orbital or dual-action polishers for the best results. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car polish in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Megria's Ultimate Polish. This pre-wax glaze works to repair your paint and breathe new life into it. It will give your dull paint a high-gloss finish that looks wet. If you have a dark-colored vehicle, you'll especially benefit from the repairing effects of this glaze. With careful application, it will permanently remove defects. This glaze can also deepen the color of your paint with polishing oils. May also need to apply more than one coat to get the deep mirror-like shine that Megria's promises. Number 2. No Finish Liquid Car Polish. A number 1 rated car polish for its durability, protection, shine improvement, and value, this car polish might just be what you need in a pinch. This one requires no heavy rubbing or buffing. Unlike other options, this can also be applied in direct sunlight without adverse effects such as splotching and goes on smoothly in any temperature. The polish is a true multitasker. The formulation is good enough to protect fiberglass boats, airplanes, motorcycles, and a number of household items that have painted metal bodies. It's also one of the few car polishes that contains no wax, allowing you to give your vehicle a true polish coat. Number 3. Chemical Guy's All-in-One Polish. Chemical Guy's all-in-one product combines polish and sealant to give your vehicle a mirror shine and protect your paintwork. It's a water-based formula with synthetic sealant technology that offers long-lasting protection from UV rays, insect stains, bird droppings, and any other harsh environment it's exposed to. It can be used to mask light imperfections such as swirl marks, chips, and scratches to leave a glossy, scratch-free finish. The sealant locks in the formulation and can last up to 6 months, even with frequent washing. It's designed to work on all colors, including clear coat paints, and the formula is body shop safe and OEM approved. Number 4. Top Coat Master Craftsman Polish and Sealer. This car care kit comes with a 16-ounce spray bottle of a polish and water-based sealer, a 2-ounce top coat polish and sealer, and 2 microfiber towels. The polish cures to a brilliant, long-lasting shine, which rejuvenates the look of older or faded car finishes. The sealant then hides minor scratches and swirl marks. It also gently removes dirt and grime. The combined formula acts to repel water, grime, insect stains, and other impurities to make it easier to clean them off. The product is an eco-safe, non-stick formula with no solvents or abrasives. It's also non-flammable, which makes it great for applying on engine parts. Number 5. Megria's Mirror Glaze. This professional-grade polish is designed to produce a show car shine that looks glossy wet. It dries clear instead of white and is safe for all types of paint finishes, including single-stage and clear-coat finishes. You can use this product by hand or with a polisher or rotary buffer. The polish is simple, easy, and quick to apply. One of its best features is that it dries clear, so it doesn't leave behind any annoying or visible residue in areas such as the body joints. It produces that sought after wet look and buffs out easily. It repels rainwater without spotting, and the paint shines like new. That was our list of the top 5 best car polish in 2023 just for you.